Barbecue fam. Today we're doing up jalapeno spare ribs. Oh hell yeah, we're cooking on the Weber 26 with the slow and sear extra large basket and that drip and griddle insert, and we're gonna go at about 275. So let's get some spare ribs out and season them up. Check this out. Some spare ribs. Wow. I was gonna do basically no trim, but this, we've got a trim. Holy hell. Anyway, pat them with paper towels, shop towels, whatever you got. Personally, I like shop towels. They don't rip up. So we're just taking this right off. And we'll definitely square these ribs up. A lot of fat there anyway. All the meat scraps, gonna cook up, add it to the dog food. Trim the skirt off, score the membrane, season it up and let it sweat in. We're going with garlic jalapeno, the best from Kosmos Cube. We're also hitting it with Dirty Bird. It'll give it a great color and it's great flavor. Pat that in, flip it over, repeat the process, let it set for about 15 minutes while you get your grill ready. Let that sweat at least 10 minutes. Pat it in, take your butcher paper, all the leftover rub that went on the butcher paper, roll it up, hit your sides. Now let's get the grill fired up. So in the slow and sear basket, just light a corner of charcoal. I have a mix actually with briquettes and lump charcoal and a couple chunks of cherry wood. So we're going to close up the lid and get that temp up to at least 200 degrees before we put our ribs on, and we'll get that up to 275 and check in about an hour to see if there's any dry spots. It is kind of thin on this end of the ribs, so yeah. Check them in an hour. We got some cherry wood starting to take off. Temp is almost to the 175 mark. Wipe the grates down, get the ribs on. Close up the lid, get those temps up to your 275 mark, clean up, go get a cold one, and wait an hour. The spare ribs are looking amazing. Let's get some jalapeno slices ready, and we're just going to chop them up. These ribs look amazing. Check this out. Oh hell yeah. With these ribs, we're going to hit it up with Kosmos honey jalapeno. Oh, that smells amazing. And then just add your jalapeno slices. Let's check these jalapeno ribs. I think they're done. They smell amazing. Oh. Grab our ThermoWorks ThermoPop 2. Just give it a little jab in there. That's what all you want the feel. But anything over 200, 210 degrees, right in that range, rock and roll. Ooh, ooh. Ooh. Like that. No, we still got some time. Nope. Actually, we still got about another half hour. So let's seal it up and get it going. 5.5 hours in, jalapeno ribs are done. We are temping over 200 degrees. Probe tender. We're going to pull it, let it rest on the board for 15 minutes or so, or as long as you can resist, and then slice off some of these ribs. Oh, hell yeah. Glove up. Let me tell you what, the smell is amazing. Jalapeno galore on these spare ribs. I mean, come on. Whoo-wee. Oh, that is amazing. Let that rest for about 10, 15, 20 minutes if you can resist, and then slice into these guys. Oh, hell yeah. So these jalapeno ribs took 5.5 hours at 275 with some variables, obviously. 250, 290, bouncing around, things happen. They smell amazing. So, let's get one to eat. I'm starving. Look at that. Oh, hell yeah. Juicy. Oh, she's dripping. Oh, hell yeah. That's a badass jalapeno rib. And look at that. Oh, my. Still a little warm. But I couldn't wait any longer. I think I made it 8 minutes. Man. Woo-wee. Jalapenos. Spare ribs. Oh, that's so good. Nice clean bite. That is rocking. That side's a little more bone, but let's go more of that side. That is the bite you want. So damn good. These rock. You gotta do it. Man, if you like jalapenos, and they're not hot, they're delicious. That's what they are. Bit my glove, I'm so hungry. They're juicy, tender, and damn delicious. And spare ribs, man, trimmed off the edge, the skirt, seasoned it up, cooked it up, smoked at 275 on a Weber Kettle 26-inch with a slow and sear. Oh, hell yeah. Winning combination, Kosmos Q, killing it, and some fresh jalapeno slices on top. Amazing, folks. Go do this one. You're going to love it. And game day is coming. It's that time of year. Football season. Ribs rock. Oh, hell yeah.